guys, the new beginning is here, the new aviary. I'm gonna have to see when I have time to put it together, but it came in 3 boxes, so we'll see. Hopefully this is gonna be number 2 and only number 2. Taking a quick break. This is where we are so far. Whee! It's a 2-man job, but it's pretty easy to put up. You guys, I am done for today anyway. Pretty much done. There's two cosmetic things I'm still supposed to do, and then of course I have to set it up with all the swings and stuff. But for now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, finished product. It looks really sturdy, really good. I don't like how they have this. This is going to be a problem for me. All right. So the door zip tied. Of course, now I just put everything in here because I figured it won't fit through this door once I've done it. And I still have to cut off all these these little plastic zip ties. But for now, I'm done. So I decided to put this tarp in the middle. I can always change it. And probably we'll put the big swing back here. We'll see. Yay. You guys, it's looking good. I'm happy. All right, so I hope you like it. I hope you liked watching me put this aviary up, chicken coop really, and watch my video maybe tomorrow or the day after, I don't know yet, when I put all the toys in. I'm glad I have my Zen area back. And please push like, please hit that notification bell, and please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.